All right, a short while back, the Union Health Minister was speaking on the floor on the House on the vaccine distribution. We'll get back to that, but let's move on now to other breaking updates we're getting to know from the state of Maharashtra itself over the ATS team that has now reached the Thane court. The hearing of Sachin Waze will be beginning shortly in a short while from now at the Thane court, where the ATS may now be demanding the former Mumbai cop's custody next. Remember Sachin Waze, who's already in the custody of the NIA till the 25th of this month. Going across to Yesha now. Yesha, the proceedings at the Thane court will be beginning shortly. What is the line that the ATS will be taking up in court?
So ATS as of now is investigating the case of Mansukh Hiren's death case. Now let us go back and understand that there are two cases over here. One is the Antela bomb scare case, which is the National Investigative Agency which is investigating it. On the other hand, ATS, that is the Anti-Terrorism Squad of Maharashtra, is investigating Mansukh Hiren's death case. On Sunday was when NIA got the custody of Sachin Waze, former Mumbai Police API Sachin Waze, until March 25th. But currently the fact that ATS is investigating the case of Mansukh Hiren's death, they had also gone and visited Mansukh Hiren's family, had visited the particular spot at Mumra Creek where Mansukh Hiren was found dead. And now the fact that because Sachin Waze is in the custody of NIA, ATS has reached out to the Thane court to seek the custody of Mansukh Hiren so that they can also to seek the custody of Sachin Waze so that they can also investigate the Mansukh Hiren's death case. Now, what is important here is the fact that there have been several rounds of investigation that have taken place when it comes to Mansukh Hiren's death case, wherein the family also reached out and was present at Thane ATS office several times to record their statement, to give their version of the story. On the other hand, ATS officials, yesterday Shivdeep Lande, who's heading the ATS team from Mumbai, was also present at the Thane ATS for further proceedings. There have been several rounds of visits to the Mumra Creek that have been taking place. Now, this development comes because Vimla Hiren, who is the wife of late Mansukh Hiren, recorded her FIR at Kalba Devi ATS a few days back. That is around 10 days back. She recorded her statement and she had alleged that Sachin Waze was involved in this entire case, and the fact that this particular green Scorpio, which was found near Antela on February 25th, though it belonged to Mansukh Hiren, was with Sachin Waze for quite some time. That is right from November until February. So she had alleged all these things, and she had said that it was Sachin Waze who was asking Mansukh Hiren to be in the police custody and accept that he was the one who had kept those 20 gelatin sticks and the vehicle near Ambani's residence, Antela. As a result of which, because of these allegations, this particular FIR was filed with the ATS and the investigation began. Now, because Sachin Waze is in the custody of NIA, ATS is also seeking their custody so that they can interrogate him in the parallel case, that is of the Mansukh Hiren's death case. Yes.
All right, so ATS, which had registered the FIR for the alleged criminal conspiracy, murder and attempt to destroy evidence in the light of the NIA also being authorized to probe the case, the ATS has clarified that it will carry out the investigation into Mansukh Hiren's death case, whereas the bomb scare, the Antela bomb scare probe, will be probed by the NIA. So at Thane court, we're expecting the proceedings to begin shortly. We'll continue to update our viewers on the same. Gesha, thanks very much. Let's move on now.